Hello and welcome. My name is Ethan Hamlet-Stroll, and I'm part of the technical documentation team here at mscrm-addons.com. In today's video, we'll be examining how to migrate your one-click actions from one environment to another using the DocumentsCorePack online service configuration. This process can be useful if you have, for example, some one-click actions you have on one environment, such as a test environment, and want to move them to a production environment. This video serves as a sort of visual guide for an article that we have on our website, so if you want to check that out, please make sure to check out the video description down below. Now then, let's get started. So here we are in one of our environments. You'll see here that I am right now in a record, a quote record, and I have brought up the DocumentsCorePack dialog. And you will see that we have two one-click actions. We have one for a simple quote, and one for quotes for USA customers. Our objective today is we want to take the one-click actions that we have here, and we want to migrate them to a separate environment. This is because, in this case, this environment is our test environment, and the other environment is our primary production environment. So, I'm going to walk you through how to exactly move these one-click actions over to the other environment using the DocumentsCorePack online service configuration. I'll just minimize that and you'll see that we are here. So, the online service configuration, do keep in mind this is something you can access through your account on mscrm-addons.com. When you're here, if you want to migrate your OCAs, what you want to do is you want to first begin by clicking on the environment that has the one-click actions that you want to migrate. In this case, it would be this environment. What we want to do then is we want to scroll down to here, where it says one-click actions. And this will show all of the one-click actions from our environment. Our environment only has the two, so it only lists these two. So all we want to do then is actually just simply click on them. And we want to click on the proceed button over here. Let me move myself up here for now. So we'll click proceed. Now we want to select the target environment where we want to copy the one-click actions from our environment. So in this case we want to move it to this environment, CRM 917.574. We'll just click next, and now it's going to verify the one-click actions. Now, you will see here that there is a special notification that you'll receive if you have a one-click action that contains templates or other missing resources that you don't have in the primary environment. So, in this case, our simple quote OCA was fine because we have the template. We have the same template across both environments. But this one does not, in the primary environment, have the template that we need for it. So this means that you can still, of course, migrate this one-click action, but this one-click action will remain in a draft state. So that way, it's still there, you can edit it, but you cannot, in that moment, use it. But if you're okay with this, you can just go ahead and click Start Migration, and it will say that the one-click actions were successfully migrated, just reminding you that one of them are in a draft state. That's all you actually have to do there. So with the OCAs migrated, that means they should be in our primary environment. So let's go ahead and check out if they're there. So here we are in our main environment. You'll see that we are in a new quote. We are under a different URL, so this is indeed definitely the production environment. So we're going to go ahead and click the Create Document button to see if our OCAs have been transferred. And indeed, we have the simple quote OCA that has been moved here. You'll notice that the other OCA is not been moved, or at least that's what it seems like. Don't forget, of course, that it should be in a draft state. And you can check if this has been transferred by going over to your one-click actions here, going down, selecting the quote one, and clicking Edit. And then here you can see that not only do you have the simple quote, but you also have the quote USA OCA here. And it says here that this OCA status is draft. So you can activate it, but of course, do keep in mind that if you do not have the template that is attached to this OCA, or if you do not have the same template that was from the other one, from the other environment, that this will not work properly. So you can go ahead and edit this as you see fit, but at the very least it is here, so you can edit it and modify it as you need. Which means the migration was indeed successful. So I think that about covers it as far as the OCA migration is concerned. I hope this video was informative. If you did think it was informative, do consider giving this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and check out some of the other videos we have on other features relating to DocumentsCorePack. I'm Ethan Hamlet-Stroll, and I just want to say thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye-bye.